There are many insects living in a dry tree wood, not reachable for many birds. Except for this one, a woodpecker. The woodpecker has special ability to catch this type of insects. Zygodactyl feet, short and strong tail, sharp spear-like beak, and long and sticky tongue. Woodpecker is not striking randomly on wood. Tapping lightly with beak to detect wood is hollow or not. If it finds the wood is hollow, then striking very hardly with its beak to reach its prey. Initially, the woodpecker determines the direction of the larvae inside the wood with the help of its tongue.